Hello everyone, welcome to the demo part how to enroll into the LNXQR, and you can open any browser from your system and just type lnxqr.in and hit enter. So once you will hit enter, so the landing page will open. If you are the first time you want to register, then click on the create an account. You can create an account from here, so it will be like enroll as a vendor, so you can put your company name. So I put as a Giri Agritech, and here just put your whole business address. Just put proper your email address, because the email address will be your login, and put your mobile number. Then select your company type. If it is biostimulant type, select biostimulant. You can add here the GSTN and click to proceed to payment. Here the first year you will ask for the 2500 rupees, and the second year onwards you will ask for the 1200 rupees. If you click on the prepay, so it will ask the next page to complete your enrollment. You have to pay with the browser page. Click on the pay browser, and it will ask to select the payment methods. So you can pay with the UPI, you can pay with a card, even you can pay with a wallet, and you can have the net banking. Once your payment is successful, then it will be redirected to back on the lnxqr.in. So over there you will get the three things. You will get username, company slug, and password, and copy these text and keep somewhere so you can able to log in using these details. This is demo how you can use the lnxqr.in. When you paid a payment, so you got these three details like email address, password, and company slug. So put here and click on the login. So once you will log in here, it will be your dashboard. So this dashboard will be populate like this one. Right now I have the seven products. That's why here it will be saving as a seven products, but it will be blank for you, so you can just start creating the products. So you have the import from the Excel and the create a new product. Once you will click on the new product, so you can have both registrations like biostimulant and micronutrition product. So let me create on the I want to create a biostimulant product, so I will click on biostimulant. Here you can directly have the details like biostimulant. You can directly if you want, you can directly type manually, or else you can search from here. So for example, I want to search for the just search for the humic acid, and just check for your molecule, which molecule you want to create the QR, and just select the if suppose I want to create for the humic acid 1%, and it is a liquid, so click on this one. So what it will be do, it will be automatically populate the gadget number, so where it is mentioned, then the brand name, what you have the brand name, mention your brand name. So right now I'm just mentioning for the this purpose, just demo purpose. And then composition, check for composition, and just check for the doses. Okay, so you can here, if suppose you want to add rows, so you can add rows. If you suppose you want to remove rows, so you can remove rows. Even you can just update your existing product as well. Okay, if there is any node, you can put here node, then you can just mention your crop and the how it is doses. So like you can add the more crop here, and you can remove. And once you will hit on click product, so the QR will be generated here. Okay, and this is my QR. Okay, once the QR is generated, you can just open this link to see how is it show. So the humic acid 1%, this is the brand name and the composition specification with the crop name and the doses. And here your company details like your company name and company address. Okay, so this information will be, once you will print and scan this one from your device, this information will be displayed. Okay. Once you have the correct information, you can just click on the download QR. It will ask where it should be downloaded, and you can just download that QR. Okay, if you want to create another one, so you can just click on the create another one, and you can again search for the any molecule name. Start with the molecule name and molecule percentage. Make sure while creating the product, you supposed to select the percentage as well. So let me just click on the back to the dashboard. and for example, I want to update this. Okay, then you have there are three buttons. You can just click on the view. It will be just view the public page. If you want to edit, so you can edit this entire or update the entire specification, ingredients and the crop details. But here you don't, it will not generate the new QR. So once it will be generated, it will just keep update the information. It will not generate any new QR for the update. Okay, so why this has been done? Because it is just flexibility. If suppose you generate the QR and you miss something, you can just later go here and update and it will work. Okay, if you're not filling any information, okay, then sorry, this is the micronutrients. Okay, let me come to the biostimulant. If you miss anything, you can update here without changing the QR code. So this is the flexibility where you can have the same QR and update the information. If I click on the bank, here we have the filter bar. You can filter with the types. Okay, if product name, brand name, you can have the gadget details, even when it is updated. Okay, this is product, this week one product is updated, 8 QR is ready, so you can download that QR and place on your product. The same way you can create for the micronutrient product. So you need to add your product details. Here we don't have the existing we don't have any search capabilities, so you can just update your details with the compositions, the specifications, and the features and benefit. You need to add even the dose details. And here you can mention your marketed by or the maker address. Okay, but you have to make sure your company should be one of the marketer or the one or else you have the manufactured by. And if suppose you are marketing someone else product, someone else product, so you can just update here their company details. Like you can update here company details, but make sure if suppose you have the manufacturer, then update as manufacturer. If you are marketed by, then update your marketed by, even including the manufacturer details. Once you will just click on the create, so it will be create the QR for you. And the same thing, you can just able to view from the public view. So this is the dashboard where you can maximum time you will spend and create the QR code. Here we have given the setting button on top right corner. So if you click on the setting button, you can also change your password from old password to the new password. So it is automatically generated password. So you can put here and click a new password with 8 character and update your password. Here it will give the we are offering as a 250 QR codes. So how much you have utilized here also you can get to know. So this is the quota like that one. When your membership is going to expire, here it will get the details. Okay, if you are not if you are not frequently logged into this one, but don't worry, our team will reach out to you if have any problem or the any required any assistance. Okay. And then if suppose we want to browse our company website, you can click here. It will be browsed to the our company, who we are and what we basically do and what is our strength. So you will get the all details from our company details. This is our parent company website, and LNXQR is one of the our platform where you can generate your QR details. Now, once you are completed, once you are done, you can just log out. Okay. If required any help, you can just reach out to this email address or the this phone number. So it is available for the people will be available for you support and help you. Thank you so much. This is the demo for just enroll your product into LNXQR. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, so reach out to us.